All right, so I have another PR package from ColourPop. This one was big. On the fly, ColourPop on the fly. So, oh gosh, it's so big. They sent this to me like maybe 2 months ago. Never got around to opening it. So let me just go through here one by one. Uh-oh. The backdrop is dropping. Backdrop dropping down low. If it falls again, I apologize. Alright, so on the fly, it had a lot of cards. There's like a lot of, I guess, collections in this. It's a Dream, Nude Notes, Bottomless Mimosas, Good for Hue, Piece of Cake. Oh my gosh, there's so many. If You Like, In the Bear, and Mix and Mask It. So, gee, I think that was all. Oh, I skipped one. Vibrant Thing. So, a lot of cards in this one. I don't know. Like, they sent me all of this. This is a big package. Let's check it out. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. How do I do this? Let me talk about these two first because they're on the table. Vibrant Thing, Color Sticks Vault. And I think these are those eyeshadow sticks that I saw and I was like, ooh, I would really love those. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, so this is cool. I'm gonna definitely love playing with these. So they sent me the Vibrant Thing color sticks and In the Bear color sticks. I'll show you the colors on this back here because this one has like nude colors and this one is more like kind of brighter pink, purple. Pinks and purples, and let's see what else. Okay, some liners. It's a Dream liners. These are Cream Gel Liner Vault. Okay, so I've tried their cream gel liners before. I don't have these colors. These look kind of, are these metallic? Oh wow. Okay, so this is called Nude Notes. Wow, it's like a set of eyeshadow palettes, the little mini eyeshadow palettes. There's 5 of them in here. This is huge. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right, so I don't know what to do with all this stuff. Like, I am overwhelmed right now. This one's called Duet. I don't know if I should open all these on camera. This one looks like that. Wow, I could do a look a day with these. Like, they literally, like, ColourPop is the most generous brand as far as PR. They've sent me the most stuff. Like, this is a lot of stuff. I'm gonna have looks forever. This one is called Rhapsody and golden colors. Called Harmony. Pretty. Oh, the packaging is so cute. A lot of times I don't even want to open them because the packaging is just cute the way it is. And this one has like kind of an orange, bronzy colors and brown. Like, compare it to this one. This one's more like a yellow, gold. And this one's like brown. This was a Nude Notes, so these are supposed to be more like nude colors. This one's called Couplet. This is like more of a true browns and metallic-y colors. Can't wait to do looks with these. The last one is called Poem. This one has like mauve-y colors. Very cute. Oh my gosh. I was in here. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna do, this one's the Fourth Ray Beauty Piece of Cake Lip Duo. And it comes with 2 are these like lip balms? Oh, it's very cute. I'll have to try these out. These look cute. Oh, wow. Smells like cake. Oh my gosh. They both smell kind of cakey. But I think I like this one's called vanilla lip balm. Okay, one's a scrub and one's a balm. But I like the balm. The balm smells better than the scrub. I have to try those out tonight. I need a nice scrub, especially after this dry lipstick that I got on. All right, so this is called Soul Body Sparkling Mimosa. What is this? A invigorating bath soak. Ooh, invigorating. This might be nice to use tomorrow. Ooh, a bath bomb. Have I tried a bath? I have. I've tried a bath bomb. That looks cute. It smells amazing. Oh, wow, wow, wow. That smells great. Sparkling Mimosa. Then they sent me this 4th Ray Beauty Matcha Face Milk. I think I've had this one before. They've sent me this one before. Yeah, I've tried this before. I've used it. It's nice. What is this? Soul Body Sparkling Mimosa Body Polish and Cream. Wow, so I can have a whole mimosa moment in the bathtub. A mimosa moment. This one is the cream. I want to smell it. I want to try this out. And this is the scrub here. Oh, they're going to have me all like smooth. I got lip scrub. I got body scrub. I got cream. I got balm. Like, this is like the... Oh, it smells amazing. This is great. I can't wait to try that in the shower. So I just want to know what it feels like though. It just feels like a regular lotion. Kind of cooling. I don't smell anything. I don't know. It doesn't have a strong fragrance. All right, almost everything in here. There's more eyeshadows, and let's do the eyeshadows first. Eyeshadows and looks like some pressed powder palettes. So this one is called If You Like Set. It's another set of eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, there's like 10 eyeshadows that they've sent me. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys. It's cute. Social Butterfly. Let me try that one first. Open that one. So much packaging. I opened a lot of stuff today. Like I had PR backed up for a few months, so I did a few videos. You guys can check out on my channel. This one's called All Aflutter. Social Butterfly. That's nice. I like these shades. I think I want to do a look with that one. This one's called On a Wing. Oh, that's nice too. I just did like a purple look the other day. This would have been nice with it. I will never need shadow again. Like, thank you, ColourPop. I'll never need shadow again. Okay, this Over the Cocoon. Oh, that's cute. Like it has. Oh, they all have little butterflies on the back. I just noticed it on the last one. Over the Cocoon, which has like kind of reddish, burgundy colors. All right, and then the last part of this PR is these pressed powder palettes, and I'm not sure. It says good for hue. I'm not sure. Okay, these are quads, like quad powder palettes. 6 of them. Wow, I cannot believe this. Cream soda, and you guys, I love cream soda. So that name sounds very appealing to me. These are so cute because they're so small. Like they're small. Oh, I love these, like the clear packaging. This is cute. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to try these. This is cute. I like the quads better than the 5-pan palettes. So now I have 16 new eyeshadow palettes to create looks with. So wow, that's the next 2 weeks. I can do a ColourPop look every day. They sent me 16 eyeshadow palettes and like, I don't know, 12 liners. No, they sent me 12 crayons and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 10 liners. I don't know. It's a lot. Like, they really hooked it up. This one is called Silver Spoon. It's gray. Yeah, this is Silver Spoon. It's cute. This one is called Hot Chocolate. Oh, that's the name of my brand. My name of my chalkboard brand. I do chalkboards. I make like chalkboard art. I was like, why does it sound so familiar? I mean, hot chocolate. We all know what hot chocolate is, but that's the name of my brand, Hot Chocolate. But it's spelled like chalk, you know, CHALK, chocolate. It looks like browns and a nice golden shimmer there. Plum and Get It, which is, ooh, very rosy colors here. Peach Please. Ah, this is nice. I think I could do a nice look with this one. Peach Please. Last but not least, called Sorbet. This one is like, ooh, this is gorgeous, like rose gold, kind of pink, mauve. I like these. Everything is beautiful. I love all of these palettes. Thank you so much to ColourPop and Soul Body. These things feel wonderful, like to have. Like, I can't believe it. Like, I saw this package when it arrived. I was like, wow, that's all. Like, I didn't look in it, so I didn't know what everything was. This package been sitting around in my room for a while. Sorry, you guys. I had to set my my tripod down there because this was the box that I was sitting my tripod on top of, and because it's such a big box, so I'm gonna have to put it back. But yeah, that was the whole collection. I guess I could do like show you guys what it looks like on the table here once I get everything out the way. Give me a second.